Hey gang, it's Coach Gina here. I'm just checking in. Wanted to talk to you today about snacks, healthy snacks, and preparing ahead of time with your healthy snacks. Now, we all know we should be eating every 2.5 to 3 hours, so that means that you need to have plenty of snacks on hand before you head out to work, to the soccer game, shopping, whatever. So let's kind of discuss maybe some options, other than our regular fruits, that we would pack in our lunches and such. That would be good choices to have just handy in the car or at your desk. Let's think about apples. Everybody's got an abundance of apples right now. And, you could, that looks nice. You could take a few, to work and leave them at your desk or put them in the fridge at work if you have one. I like to take about 5 string cheese at a time. I don't eat them all in one day, but I like to have them there as so they're there when I need them. Another option is to boil eggs. I boil about a dozen at a time. I'm going to have this bowl in the fridge that says hard-boiled eggs. You'll see I have some work to do. But, I might take a couple of those at a time, too, and leave at the fridge at work so I have them when I'm ready. I did just harvest my garden today, again. But you can see I have, like, cherry tomatoes, green peppers, and broccoli there. Those are all good things. You can slice up the green peppers and have those ready for, a nice snack. Also, baby carrots. Those are a great snack that I think people don't think about because you can, they don't have to stay cold, so you can leave them in your purse if you want. And then, if you're at the soccer game or walking through the grocery store and you start to get hungry and you're going to make some bad food choices at the store, you'll have those with you. It's all about being prepared, and I think that that's something with this journey that we're all learning at the same time, because it is easy to be unprepared, but it really is easier to prepare. So take your Sunday nights, plan out your week, plan out your suppers, and go from there. Do your shopping, and I think that your snacks will fall into place. Buy that big bag of almonds and leave it at your desk, and then when you're ready to eat, then you got your snack right there. You're not running to the vending machine or sitting there all cranky because you need something to eat. So if you have any questions, comments, or if you have a really good snack that you like to eat that you would be willing to share with the group, please just comment in the thread below. Thanks.